How to turn off Instagram story comments. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure you sign into your account. Now navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner. And now tap three-line icon at top right corner. From the setting panel, scroll down. Now look for the option of messages and story replies. And now simply choose story replies. And here choose don't allow story replies. Now come back and now choose comments. And here you need to select who can comment to stories and select off button. And you can even block comments from particular user by tapping block comments from and selecting the person by tapping the search bar and typing the username. With that, you have successfully disabled Instagram story comments. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.